This 2017 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series 36B5 is a Class A RV. It is located in Ocala, Florida, 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse, 2 full baths. This 2017 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series 36B5 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.